Is in the side of Nepal.
It is inside Nepal and Bihar.
Okay, nice.
Ithi, you have done your BTech in biotech.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what do you understand by designer babies?
Sir, designer babies is a concept in which we insert a particular kind of gene in a baby with desired characteristics which we require. And in China recently, a scientist has claimed that he has designed
Which technology has been used?
Sir, in vitro fertilization as well as gene editing. CRISPR-Cas9 technology has been used.
Is it CRISP or CRISPR?
CRISPR, sorry, sir.
CRISPR-Cas9. What is the full form?
Sir, I don't recall it right now.
Okay. So, what are the ethical issues that may crop up?
So the first thing which people are saying, as well as the ethical concerns are also there. Like if people are got to the technology of designing babies, then it will be injustice with nature. As people who are from affluent background, they can design their baby according to their needs and what they want in a.
So there will be a better human race. What's the problem?
Sir, but it is not all encompassing. Means everyone is not given
there
the.
There may be some. Are there some risks associated with this?
Yes, sir. If a genetic change has been done, it can continue to further coming generations, and we don't exactly know what will be the impact of it.
Is cloning allowed by Government of India?
Sir, cloning of animals like buffalo is being done in India.
What is the status of human cloning?
Sir, it is not allowed in India.
Not even for medical purposes?
Sir, I don't know it exactly, but I think it's not allowed in India for medical.
Therapeutic cloning, do you have any idea?
Yes, sir.
Is it allowed?
Sir, therapeutic drug design is allowed in India. Therapeutic cloning, I don't think so, sir.
Now, tell me, how many districts in Bihar?
Sir, 38 districts are there in Bihar.
Divisions?
9.
Is there a legislative council in Bihar?
Yes, sir.
How many members?
Sir, 2.
In legislative council?
Sir, I don't remember it right now.
There is some legislative council there or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
And legislative assembly?
Yes, sir.
How many members are there in legislative?
243 in legislative assembly.
How many MPs are there?
Sir, 45.
Are you asking or telling us?
How many panchayats are
there? Sir, I don't remember.
Ithi,
yes, sir.
Since you come from Uttar Pradesh,
yes,
so the government there is focusing more on renaming of places. So what is your idea? Is it good or?
Sir, since it is an executive decision, as well as for the earlier government has also done the same, and if it's not hampering development and it is in cognizance.
But is it promoting development?
Sir, the naming of Allahabad to Prayagraj, it enhances. People are knowing Allahabad from the Sangam. And Prayag is famous for it, so people can easily connect with Prayagraj. So okay. I don't think
you don't find any problem in renaming Allahabad.
Sir, if development is not hampered, then there's no issue. Welfare and development of people is not hampered in any executive action.
Okay. Tell me, what is your view on the Sabarimala verdict by Supreme Court?
In Sabarimala verdict, there's a clash between tradition as well as equality, and some Supreme Court has viewed that right of women has a constitutional right to worship, so discriminating them because of their some biological.
So everybody should be allowed irrespective of gender or age.
Sir, according to Supreme Court, it is equality should be maintained.
No, according to you, what is your view? Everybody should be allowed?
Sir, there are a few temples in Karnataka as well as some in Bihar as well, where men are not allowed. So, according to me, in Sabarimala, they are not discriminating exactly.
Since you are yourself coming from Banasthali,
yes, sir.
So does it twist your view in some way?
No, sir.
That you justify segregation?
No, sir, this is not the case. In Sabarimala, segregation is just of age group. Means they are saying that Sabarimala, the Lord Ayyappa is a deity. He is not a god. So someone is not discriminating women. They are just asking a particular section of women not to visit the temple.
So still I am not getting your view. Do you support it?
Sir, if it's not hampering the means there are some core concerns in a religion, and we shouldn't hamper it because of as after Supreme Court verdict, people are there as agitating their.
So you are more inclined towards what Indu Malhotra has said. the dissenting opinion.
Okay, tell us, supplementary. Tell us the beneficial uses of taboos, social taboos.
So, social taboos have been in our culture since long, and it has built a kind of solidarity as well as a defined kind of culture is because of social taboos.
Should we let taboos transform with the passage of time, and should we dismantle old taboos and welcome new taboos?
Yes, sir. For a development of a society, it is very essential that we reconsider what taboos earlier, which is not now important.
Suppose you are an administrator at places like Sabrimala, and there is a clear order from the administration as well as the Supreme Court, and you are supposed to implement it.
Yes, sir.
But you are not inclined personally to accept Supreme Court's verdict. What will you do in such situation?
Sir, being an administrator, neutrality is very important, political neutrality as well as my thought neutrality. So I have to do whatever the Supreme Court or the government tells me. So I'll pursue what they say.
So you believe the administration in Sabrimala is failing to do what their duty is. They are allowing agitators to block women actually visiting temple.
Sir, they are just maintaining the situation there because if women are allowed to go, then agitator might harm them or they can create a environment there. So they are just maintaining the security and safety of women.
Okay, आपको फिल्में देखना पसंद है?
Yes, sir.
आपको कहानियाँ पढ़ना पसंद है हिंदी की, और आपको ग्राफोलॉजी, ये क्या होती है?
सर, ग्राफोलॉजी एक आर्ट होती है जिसमें हम राइटिंग के बेसिस पे पर्सनालिटी जज करते हैं.
बताइए कैसे पढ़ते हैं आप? I mean, you studied sociology and you studied biotech as well. Relate it and tell me, isn't it superstitious to believe that somebody's writing will tell you about the personality of the person?
Sir, when we write, the entire nervous system work as well as our thought process work along with it.
ज्योतिष से जब सारा सब घूमता है उसका मैग्नेटिज्म आता है.
Sir, the graphology is not connected to Jyotish. It's more inclined towards a science.